What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. So before today's video starts, I just want to say thank you to everybody who has supported me and showed love and just been patient with me through when I had the flu and when I was inconsistent. So thank you guys to all of the supporters out there, all of the haters that are watching as well. I still have these FD2 slap stickers. I don't have much left, so if you guys want to check out the website, I'll go ahead and link it down in the description below. You guys can cop a sticker to support the channel. Thank you again, and let's get into today's video. All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. Big shout out to the fellow YouTuber, Chris Lowpes. Chris, if you're watching, I just want to say thank you for the opportunity that you presented me with, and that is being a part of the Street Legacy team. So very excited about that. If you guys don't know who Chris Lowpes is, I will link his channel down in the description. Very good YouTuber, has excellent content. And I've actually been following him even before I made my YouTube channel. So it's kind of like a big inspiration to be in works with him. So for those that don't know, his brand is Street Legacy. He's located out in Canada and super chill dude. He did have a CSX FD5 build. So that's kind of what helped me inspire to build my car. So if you guys want to check out his videos, like I said, I will link his profile down in the description below. But if you guys want to cop anything on the website, the streetlegacy.ca, I believe, you guys can get 10% off by using Wavy 10. And like I said, everything will be in the description. You got stickers, slaps. He did actually send me a care package with a whole bunch of stuff. Air fresheners, which smell really good, and these 10mm keychains. These are clutch right here. Just in case you don't have a 10 mil, you always have one on hand. Really cool design. Jet tags. You have some Street Legacy Club slaps, and like I said, this was his old CSX build. So thank you again, Chris. He even did give me a little note. It says, "Welcome to the Street Legacy team. I personally want to thank you for your support, and I can't wait to see the awesome content you make." So Chris, man, thank you again, man. Thank you so much for the opportunity, and hopefully we can grow together as creators and make more awesome content. So I do have to put the banner on. He did give me the Street Legacy banner, so I will be putting that on sometime this weekend. I've been so busy. Like I said, I had the flu, so a lot of stuff has been postponed. But today, I got a buddy that's coming over. He just purchased a MUGEN front lip, just like mine, and I'm gonna help him put it on his car. And then also, I actually got some OEM stuff. This is the knock sensor. So for those that don't know, I did have to buy an aftermarket knock sensor. So when we put in the starter, I broke the OEM one and I got an aftermarket one, and it's throwing a check engine on. So I have this here. I also have some screws, so for the OEM FD2 front bumper, you have the grill pieces on the bottom. Now they do clip into place, but they need screws to actually hold in place because you can just punch them out if they're not secured. So we're gonna go ahead and install those at a later time. And then I also got a valve cover gasket, as well as some Honda Bond and the spark plug hole gaskets as well. So eventually we're gonna be doing a valve adjustment, and I actually wanna get a JDM valve cover. So we're gonna do that. And then also, this is the push to start button. So we're gonna install that as well. So just wanted to show you guys that. I believe Jordan is here now. I think I hear his car. So we're gonna go outside, check out his ride, and help him put that front lip on. It's getting a little chilly here in the valley, so definitely really nice. And yeah, looking for Jordan. How you doing?
How are you?
Good.
Good.
All right, I think I hear his car. Hey, there he is, Mr. FD2 Jordan himself. Gee. And got the Yankees, carbon fiber fenders, killing it. What's going on, boss? It's been a minute, bro. How you doing, man?
Good, how are you?
Good, man. You got the lid, bro?
Yeah.
Sheesh. Take a look, man. Car looks good, bro. How's everything been, man?
Oh, it's good.
It's been busy? I bet, bro. Yeah, I've been kind of busy myself. I just had the flu, man, not too long ago, so I've been out of commission for a while, so
Same here.
it sucks, dude.
It hit me really hard, I think, like last week.
Oh, dude.
Like 104.
Yeah, dude, that's what it was. Just so bad,
Called
bro.
my boss, I was like, yo.
Jeez. It's kind of like get scratched up. So yeah, let me get my tools in the garage and we'll go ahead and get it started, man. Excited to see it look on there, man. It's just the front end looks so good, but it just needs that front lip, you know, just to complete it.
Yeah, I was driving by like a couple like trucks and shit, and like I could see the reflection of the car, and I was just looking at like, man, I could really use that front lip.
All right, let me get my tools, bro. What the hell is that? But I looked on the other side. It's literally like right next to where the wall is, so
Oh, okay.
like water kind of gets in and stuff. But
Yeah, that last storm that we had, I was out in the garage working.
oh yeah.
Damn, it was
You were
like,
outside?
It was coming down hard.
Yeah,
And it started pulling up in my garage, and I was like, yep, I'm done.
Yeah, it was really bad. Like out here, like some of the streets were flooded and all that, and it was just probably just trying to see if I can bend it back. Guys, so we got the front lip put on. Fitment is just as expected, so good. Oh yeah, shout out to this old man with this 911 right here. Super chill dude. Maybe he'll let me drive it. I don't know, we'll see anyways. But yeah, man, look at this lip. Perfect. You wanna go ahead and peel the tape off? Let's do one side at a time. All right, go ahead, we'll do your side. That way the stripping, just like that. And then if you want, you can push, because there's a little gap.
I just want to be like careful with this shit.
No, you're good, man. Push it in. So we finished up the front lip installation, and oh my gosh, bro. Wow. Fitment. OEM, you never worry about the fitment because you already would know what to expect. That's why people charge so much for this stuff, is because it just works and it looks so freaking good. So I'm super excited to see this build take shape. He's gonna do a champ white, and he even kept the rear bumper champ white as well. So that's gonna be, wow, I cannot wait. I cannot wait. So, all right, so me and Jordan, we're gonna go across the street, maybe take a couple pictures of the cars together, because we haven't really taken pictures in a while. So we're gonna go do that, and yeah, looks good, man. Looks real good. It's awesome, bro. Yeah, anytime, bro. Anytime. All right, guys, so we are out here at this straightaway, and I have both of our cars posted up right now, and man, they look freaking, it's like something out of Japan, bro. This is crazy. I'm gonna take a couple cinematic shots for you guys. Yeah, if you guys are liking this type of content, please hit the like button. Really helps my channel out. And also go follow the boy Jordan over there, his build. I can't wait to see what he does with it. So follow my man Jordan. This is crazy. I want to see more stuff like this. This is 2 FD2s, white, crazy, man. Hey guys, so me and Lauren again are back at the, I don't want to say it's like a date. I guess it's kind of like a date, but we're going to Dave's Hot Chicken. I keep hearing about this place. We keep hearing about it, and I'm excited to try it. Everybody says that it's like the best chicken, so I'm gonna be the judge of that. So let's go. So we're gonna try this Dave's hot chicken. Looks really good. There's pickles. Try with a pickle. Very good. It's like sour and salty. They give you like this this cheese sauce. It smells really good too. Let's see, how is it? Oh wow. Yeah, that's good. That sauce is good. So far so good. Let's try to pick on the sauce. Here we go. Going in for the chicken right here. Wow. This chicken is very good. It's very like moist, and the flavor is really good as well too. Not bad. What do you think? Good? Alright guys, so first impressions of this chicken. Definitely beats Cane's, definitely better than Chick-fil-A, Wendy's and all that stuff. So I would probably give this like a 9.8 out of 10. And the reason I'm not giving it a 10 is because nothing is a 10. So 9.8. But yeah, I'm gonna cut the camera off, finish eating, and then I'll come back to you guys. Overall experience, I give it 9.8 out of 10. What do you give it?
You like an 8.
So she gives it an 8. I like the spice of the chicken.
I do.
I like the fries. I like the sauce.
I just wish the sauce was wet.
I like the whole slider aspect. It's kind of like Cane's, but like upgraded.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So definitely really good. If you guys haven't already tried a Dave's hot chicken, definitely check it out. I was thoroughly impressed with the chicken. So
Yeah.
very, very good. It is a little pricey though, so the tenders are a decent size, so it's not like anything small. So when you say like 2 tenders, it's kind of like it throws you off. But yeah, really good stuff.
Now it's milkshake time.
Yeah, so now I pay for dinner, so she's gonna pay for dessert. No, I'm just kidding. But yeah, so we're probably gonna get something sweet. Just end off the vlog. Again, thank you guys for tuning in, staying tuned in with my stuff. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Mama told me it's okay if you cry. I've been reminiscing as the days go by. I got the fire, you see in my eyes. Only the family I'm trying to provide. Niggas be snakes, but ain't no surprise. I know it's hard, but I still gotta try. I don't need drugs, but I still gotta fly. When it get hard, you gotta go harder.